how you are able to offset the increase in cost?
Offset, we keep on offsetting the increase in cost. One is by judiciously buying, planning. At the same time, at any point of time, we have good carry forward of the orders which are not executed. For example, on March, on 30th March this year, we had orders intake of about more than 95 to 100 crores. So accordingly, we also plan out. But if the fluctuations are too much, then sometimes we are affected by those fluctuations. For example, if the steel prices go very high, then also it can affect our say pricing. But the only way is to how judiciously we can plan, and we keep on procuring, looking for alternative vendors, alternative component suppliers, and also plan our imports wherever it is needed.
What are your strengths compared to your competitors?
Well, our strength is the technology, because we are in India the only company who have got this kind of collaboration, and our machines are at par with any European or American make machines. We have got, as I said, our machines installed in about 52 countries. So this is number one. So we are the only people in India who has got this advantage technologically. We are always ahead of other people. And secondly, then after sales service is a very important part, and from the very beginning of our business we were very clear that in a machine, in capital goods, giving after sales service is very, very important, and to give after sales service very quickly, and as a result our brand has improved. Our customers are very comfortable. They know that in case of any breakdown, any problem, we will be there to replace the parts or to take care of the problem that has occurred. We are even sometimes we go out of the way, and suppose a part is needed, then we even take out the part from a machine which is already under assembly, even though it may mean delay in the delivery of that machines. But the customer who has installed our machine should not suffer because of that component needed by him immediately.